So, our anvil just arrived. Oh man, that this is how it came to my door. I've done nothing yet. This just wow, this packaging. Well, I guess I'll finish opening it and see how it looks. Oh gosh. The paint job's a little scuffed, but I mean, it's fine because I guess I didn't know what else I would have expected. It's solid steel. It's a cheap anvil, but still solid steel. So, I mean, top's nice and flat, edges are sharp. I have an anvil! Holy shit! So now that I've got a proper anvil, also some tongs that we ordered from Centaur Forge, can start really getting things underway as far as forging goes. Yeah. Before we can, gonna dress this a bit, clean up the edges so they're not so sharp, and remove paint from this end on the horn, polish that up so it's nice and smooth, and then attach it to that log out there. Probably will also need to cut down the log a bit and need to get it at that right height for hitting comfortably. All right, time to lug this outside. Oh gosh. It's not that big, but it's still pretty heavy. That was really dumb. I'm only one person with one camera. I just did all those shots carrying this around multiple times. That was stupid. Dumb idea. Oh, okay. So I did not protect this from the weather, which was pretty dumb. As you can see, it is now covered in a nice coating of rust. So I'm going to have to figure out something to keep this protected while it sits out here, because this is going to be outside and it's going to be heavy enough that I don't want to take it inside and outside every time I want to forge. This got pretty nasty too. So gonna remove this, put that somewhere, clean it up eventually, secure this down. Yeah. So from what I've seen anyway, instructions on YouTube's and whatnot, is you want the face of the anvil to be about height of where your knuckles are going to be. So I need to cut off a little bit from this log. All right, let's get started with that. So I'm probably a bit blue again, but it's because I put up the shade. So it is a nice day out, but still a little warm for me, and I don't want to be doing all this under the direct sun because I'm a weird cave goblin. All right, time to cut this down. That's not going anywhere. Oh man. Are you recording? Yeah, you're recording. Okay. Oh, ow. Time for the other side. Oh, now that's on. Alright, well, there we go. Anvil anchored down, ready to go. Wow. Hello. So I'm back in the morning. It's actually nice and cool out. And I'm just going to clean up, do some dressing on this thing. Right now I've got it just in a tarp to protect it from the weather. Which actually worked out pretty well timing wise because I had a storm right after I had set this up. So yeah, gonna take my angle grinder to it. Clean up the edges. Might need to use a different tarp. As you can see, it's already got some rust on it. So we need to figure out something a little better than what I did before. Poop. Well, I'll figure that out in a minute. For now, just gonna clean it up, soften these edges so that I'm not like hot cutting things I'm trying to draw out, and clean up the paint off of this end, get that nice and smooth. That looks better. Nice and smooth horn now. Cleaned up the edges. A little burry, but I figure after just kind of working on it with a hammer, it'll probably be fine. Yeah. Heel. Nice and cleaned up. Anvil. Okay, bye.